The man responsible for the death of 2-year-old Malakai Garrett will spend the next 40 years behind bars. Good evening, I'm Hunter Petroviak. Mitchell Van Ryn was sentenced this afternoon after being convicted of aggravated battery and domestic battery last month. A jury found him not guilty of murder. Fox 55's Cody Butler has more.
Mitchell Van Ryn got the maximum sentence allowed under Indiana law for the charges he was facing. In court today while he was being sentenced, he apologized to Malakai Garrett's family for his death.
You know, I'll never see him again. Nobody can bring Malakai back.
Malakai Garrett's father, Lance Garrett, told his son's killer he had many sleepless nights in the last year and a half. Mitchell Van Ryn beat Malakai to death in November 2017.
I was, my first and only son, and there's no bringing him back. I'll never have that luxury of being able to wash another car or ride another bike with him.
Today, Van Ryn was sentenced to 40 years in prison. He told Malakai's family he accepted responsibility for Malakai's death, and he was sorry. Van Ryn says he tried performing CPR on Malakai, but his family doesn't buy it.
I think that was just one of his excuses. Mitch Van Ryn knows exactly what he did in that home. He knows exactly how he did it and his fist that he used.
Van Ryn was only convicted of the 2 battery charges against him because a jury couldn't determine if Van Ryn intended to kill Malakai. Allen County Prosecutor Karen Richards says she still thinks the intent was there.
He hated this child. Who would take a belt to a 2-year-old? I mean, what kind of man takes a belt to a 2-year-old? What kind of man leaves fist prints on a 2-year-old because he's not potty trained?
I hope that God has his wrath as well.
Malakai's mother, Amber Garrett, will be on trial next month for her role in his death. In Fort Wayne, Cody Butler, Fox 55 News.